your drumstick. Here. Is that so exciting? Yeah. And how about your whistle and your harmonica and
Show
your
me the harmonica.
tambourine?
Show me your harmonica.
Thank you, Darren and
How does
Stacy.
How does your harmonica work?
Yeah,
show
that's
me.
the harmonica.
Wow.
That was cool how she was breathing.
I'm pretty positive this
She's
goes
like,
on the drums somehow, but I don't exactly know. Yes, it is your drums, your drumstick. So that was from Uncle Darren and Aunt Stacy, baby.
Yeah, watch it.
Hey, when we see them, we're going to have to say, thank you for my awesome band set.
And who's that at her birthday party with you? It's Tom Selleck.
Or as London likes to say, my new daddy.
Is that what she said? Oh my gosh.
She thinks it's daddy.